I would not pretend to know the details of what you're carrying right now. I don't know the quiet weight sitting on your chest, the thoughts that keep you staring at the ceiling, the mistakes you're still punishing yourself for, or the moments that broke you when no one was watching. But I do know this for an absolute fact. Men don't fall without a reason. And when a man hits the ground, it's not a sign of the end. It's a sign of that something profoundly powerful is being forged inside him. So let me speak to the part of you that's hidden, the battle that you keep locked behind your eyes. Because today we're going to understand the fall, not as a failure but as the essential preparation for your rise. The truth is, people just don't understand the pressure. They don't see the expectations constantly weighing on you. They don't see the full scope of your responsibilities. And they certainly don't see the way you hold yourself together, rock steady even when your entire world is shaking apart. You fall because you're carrying a weight that is never spoken about. You walk around like everything is fine, giving everyone a nod, a smile, but inside you're wrestling with the current situation. You carry the well-being of your family. You carry the burden of the future. You carry the bills, the dreams, the hopes, and all the previous failures. You carry the fear of disappointment every single person who believes in you, and the fear of becoming the very person you swore you'd never be. Every man, no matter how successful, has those quiet moments where the self-doubt creeps in. Am I honestly good enough? Am I really doing enough for my family and my future? Am I failing everyone who trusts me? We don't speak those words out loud, but they echo in the deepest parts of our minds. And sometimes that doubt is what kicks your feet right out from under you. It tells you to stop fighting. It tells you you are losing. It whispers that you're falling behind. But listen carefully. Doubt is not the enemy. Doubt is simply the reminder that you care deeply about the outcome. Doubt is the signal that you're right on the edge of a major breakthrough. It shows up right before you level up. Falling doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're evolving. Let me tell you something that will genuinely change your perspective. Every man who has ever become truly great, every single one of them fell first. The strongest men you know, they've broken, they've stumbled, they've collapsed, they've lost things, they've hit the bottom so hard they thought they'd never get back up. But they did, and here's the key. They didn't rise the same way they were before. They rose up different, they rose sharper, they rose louder with conviction, they rose with a clear purpose, they rose with scars that had already been turned into battle-tested armor. Falling is not a man's ending. Falling is the actual beginning of his real story. Men fall so they can rise differently. Your fall is not your ending. It's your ultimate turning point. When a man's fall, his internal fire grows white hot. His mind sharpens like a blade. His purpose becomes real and tangible. His focus becomes unbearable. His spirit becomes untouchable. Men fall so they can rise as warriors. Men fall so they can rise with a clear vision. Men fall so they can rise into the man they were always meant to be. Because you didn't fall to end the story, you fell to rewrite it. And I promise you, the version of you that is about to stand up, he will not be stopped. Not now, not ever. So wipe your face, lift your chest, straighten your back. This fall was not your failure, it was your training. And now your rise begins.